Hello, 6th grade innovators. This is Mr. Chamberlain here with the next tutorial. It's a shorter tutorial. Now that we've learned how to take a selfie using your Pi camera, I'm going to show you how to do a short video with your Pi camera. It looks very similar to the code we've done before, except at the end, instead of saving it to our folder, you're going to pull it up using something called the terminal, which I'll show you very shortly. So like always, we're going to go to programming. We're going to go to Python 3, like we've done for everything. You remember that this opens up into the shell. So we're going to start a new one. And like always, I like to keep everything neat and tidy. So I'm going to put it all on one side. So just like before, we're going to open by writing from Pi camera, import Pi camera. Notice I'm using capital P and capital I. So this time, this is going to be just like before. Camera equals Pi camera. So we're just saying that's called the Pi camera. We're going to say camera.start preview. And we're going to say alpha equals 192. Do you remember what that represents? That stands for how see-through the camera is when we turn it on. Now we're going to try something a little different. We're going to say camera dot frame rate equals, put a space there, equals 24. That just means how fast the video is going to record, how many frames per second. Now, this is the first time it'll look a little bit different. We're going to say camera dot start recording. And that just means we're going to tell the Pi camera to start filming us, and we have to give it a name. So I'm going to put one little quotation, and we can call it, you can call it whatever your name is. So you could say Will, if your name is Will, underscore video. And actually, I'm going to make that lowercase w. That's going to make it a little easier when we look it up. Dot H264, which just means a video. I'm going to close the little single parentheses. There we go. So now we want to know how long it's going to film for. So we're going to say camera.wait underscore recording. And I'm going to put 10. That's telling it that we're going to let it record for 10 seconds. Then after 10 seconds, we're going to say camera stop recording. And finally, to turn it off, camera.stop preview. So before I press go on it, before we save it, we are importing the camera. We're saying that if I ever use the word camera, I mean Pi camera. We're going to start it so we can see it on the screen. Frame rate will be 24 frames per second. Then we're going to say start recording. We're going to call it Will video if your name is Will. Then wait 10 seconds, so record for 10 seconds, then stop recording, and then make the screen go away. I'm ready to press F5 to run it. Of course, we have to save it. So just like we've always done, you're going to use your first name, your period, so Will period 2, and then what it is. So we're going to say video. When I save it, here it is. I'm at home now, so you can see me here. I'm saying hello. I'm doing one of these for 10 full seconds, and I know it'll be done just like that. Now I know it's done. But you might be wondering, where is it kept before? If you remember when we did our photo, we told it to go to the home folder, and that's where I had an old image. But this time with videos, they don't automatically save. They have to be pulled up from your computer's memory. That's where we use this thing called the terminal. Take a look at the top of your Pi. There's a black box with a little greater than equal than sign that says terminal. If I click terminal, I'm going to tell the computer to do something directly. So all you have to do is type in OMX player, which is like the video player on the Pi, space, and then whatever we called it. I think we called it Will underscore video dot H264. And when I press enter, there I am. So you'll notice just then when I did that, it was a little bit faster than normal. We use a player that just makes it play a little faster. That's okay. It kind of looks funny. If you want to watch it again, you could type that whole thing in again, OMX player, or on your keyboard, if you press up, pressing up will bring you to the last thing you ever typed into the terminal. So press enter again, and we can watch me doing a little silly dance. We'll worry about saving our videos another time, but I just wanted to give you a video showing what it looks like. When you actually look at your code, you can of course change how long it films for. That's the 10. You can change how see-through it is. That's the 192. So good luck. Have fun messing around with it.